An extreme heat warning is in effect for the
Please stand by for important food or drug safety information.
The National Cloudy Service in Gladionapolis has issued a biological microbe warning for southern Cloudstone County and southern Stormy Land until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, including Valdez Summer Camp and surrounding communities. At 3:53 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, public health officials identified a critical shipment of contaminated food products originating from the Valdez Summer Camp facility. Hazard: bacterial contamination in whole grain crispy chicken nuggets. Source: investigation revealed a severe cooling system failure resulting in improper storage temperatures. Impact: consumption of this product may lead to severe gastrointestinal illness, high fever, and acute dehydration. Symptoms may onset rapidly. Precautionary/preparedness actions: do not consume the whole grain crispy chicken nuggets served at Valdez Summer Camp or distributed to the surrounding communities. Dispose of any remaining portions immediately in a sealed container. If you or someone you know has consumed this product and is experiencing symptoms, seek medical attention at the nearest urgent care or emergency room immediately. Stay tuned to local media outlets for further updates from the National Cloudy Service and local health departments.